Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Namaste, everyone. My name is Ashley Malin. I'm the founder of Soldier. A soldier is somebody who has transcended a challenge and turned their darkest days into light and is sharing their light with the world. And part of being a soldier means looking at yourself in the mirror. And what a great way to do it is through your breath. The breath tells so much about you, and you're able to really transcend your nature through breath. So tonight we're going to do a short 10 minute, just a short evening practice. This is a great one for before you go to bed. This is a great one also if you're feeling anxious or overwhelmed, like we all are most of the time. So this is a really calming one. It's really good just to calm the nervous system. So without further ado, we'll just get started. Just sit comfortably in a nice spot. You could be in your bed. It doesn't really matter, but just somewhere that you're comfortable. You'll sit straight with your head held high. Your arms are relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. And just begin to breathe naturally. No force. Come into your body at this moment. So the first breath we'll do is just a simple inhale, 4 counts, exhale for 8. So inhale through your nose, nice and easy, 4. Exhale, 8. At your own pace, we'll do 6 rounds of this. So when you extend the exhale longer, twice as long as your inhale, it immediately puts you into the ground, into the earth. It lets your nervous system say, relax. Such a powerful tool. One more breath in, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a couple breaths just on your own. Even just that one thing already feels so good. Now we'll balance that out. So we'll do a little bit of alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana. So you'll take your thumb, put it on your right nostril. You'll inhale. Let's do 4 counts again. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. You'll hold. Then you'll exhale for 8 out of the right nostril with your left ring finger on your left nostril. You'll inhale for 4, and then exhale, switch the fingers for 8. So we'll do this at our own pace. Let's do 4 rounds. Close your eyes, exhale completely, and then begin. Inhale through the left nostril, 4 counts. Close both nostrils, exhale for 8. Inhale 4 out of the right. Exhale for 8 out of the left. Switch fingers. Inhale 4 out of the left. Exhale right, 8. Inhale right, 4. Exhale left, 8. Two more rounds on your own. Inhale out of the left. And then you'll finish on the left side, exhaling. At the end of that exhale, hands come to your sides, to your waist, to your knees. Just let the arms be loose and just close your eyes and take a few breaths. Okay, now this next one, we'll do 3-step inhale with a long exhale. So it looks like 1/3 inhale, hold. 1/3 inhale, the next third, hold. The last third, all the way in, not too big. We're not trying to get too much of a big inhale, but just to the top. And then you're gonna exhale really slow, all the way down. Okay, we'll do a few rounds of that. Inhale, 1/3, hold. Inhale, the next third, hold. Inhale, the last third. Not too big, but just enough to get your ribs and your lungs expanded. And exhale completely. Close your eyes, a long exhale, as long as you're able to go all the way down to the bottom, all the way out through your toes. Okay, inhale, 1/3, hold. Inhale the next third, hold. Inhale the last third, hold. Exhale all the way. All the way. Even further. Belly is loose. Okay, inhale, 1/3. Inhale, 1/3. Inhale the last third. And exhale completely. One more time. Inhale, 1/3. Belly expands. Inhale the next third. Chest begins to expand. Inhale the last third. Lungs expand. And exhale. Controlling the breath in a very subtle way is really, really a great practice. All right, the last thing, just a simple box breath. So you'll inhale. Let's do a count of 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're just going in a nice even box between the inhale, the hold, the exhale, the hold. This is so good to balance at the end of the day. The day is so hectic most of the time, isn't it? So this just balances everything out, nice and smooth. So just do one more round of that. Keep going. And at the end of your exhale, nice and smooth, nice and easy, simple breaths, no controlling. Just ground down into your hips. Allow your shoulders to relax. The center of your eyes, the third eye, your cheeks, your eyebrows, let everything relax. You're welcome to sit here and sit just quietly with yourself for another 2, 5, 10, as long as you like, minutes. And continue with your day, or just go straight into a nice, restful sleep. Namaste. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed.